How to fix the issue with TD Bank application not working. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with TD Bank application not working. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you need to head towards Google Play Store or Apple Store if you are an iOS device, and then after go to the TD Bank. If you see the option of update, click on it and do update the application. After that, you need to head towards the setting of TD Bank. So simply tap and hold on the app icon and click on App Info. After that, you will be directed to the settings of TD Bank application. Then after there, you need to click on Storage. And there, you will see the option of Clear Cache. Simply click on it and click on OK. After you have cleared the cache for TD Bank application, your application will now run smoothly, as sometimes collected cache can also affect application's performance. And after that, if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to uninstall the application and reinstall it. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with TD Bank application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.